Hey, it's Ginger. I wanted to share with you a class I'm going to be doing this Wednesday, that I'm going to be teaching this Wednesday, August 30th from 5:30 to 8:30 at my studio. And it's all about texture. Have you ever wanted to start including texture into your paintings? Do you wonder what texture do you use and how do you apply it? So I thought I'd answer a few questions for you guys and have you join me in my studio and make some really fun art. I am going to show you either you choose a heart, a flower, an angel, or a cross. I need to know ahead of time, but you can paint them however you want. These are just samples of what I did, what I made. If you want a white heart, you can do that. If you want to change the colors on anything, hair, no hair, you can do that. So it's going to be a whole lot of fun, and I'm hoping to be able to answer some questions about texture and how to use it, how to apply it, and what to use. August 30th, 5:30 to 8:30 in my studio. Sign up now, limited spots available. I hope to see you.